With the dog, yeah. There's a scene where I get attacked by the dog. Me and the dog, I had to learn to wrestle with the dog and everything. So I'm wrestling with animals and humans nowadays in my career.
Tonight, and here as we celebrate the 5th Annual Women's International Film and Arts Festival. For the past 8 days, we've been screening films made by women from around the world. We've had a total of 68 films representing more than 20 countries. The films have come as far away as Cambodia and Japan and India and France and Spain and just as far away as Liberia, just from all over the world. So we're really, really excited. And I'm actually humbled that we put out a call for films and women respond. And some men, the films are not all made by women, a lot of the films are made by men, but they are about a woman, and or they show films that represent women in a very strong way. And so the question is, why are we here? Why do we exist? The Women's International Film Festival actually came about as I realized that women only make up 5% of filmmakers. If you were to go to the Directors Guild of America, I'm going to repeat that number, 5%. As far as directors are concerned, and then the numbers get a little bit bigger, more like 22, 25% when we move into the producer category. And so we're here to try to find a venue for women's films, women's issues to be screened and to be heard, for women's voices to be screened and heard. Anyway, our mission really is just to present films made by women or about women, and to be the premier festival in the world to present films made by or about women. So that if you're in the industry, no matter what part, whether you're a director or a producer or you're a sound technician, no matter what it is that you're doing, you know you have to be in South Florida, March, April, to celebrate women for the Women's International Film Festival.
Exactly. Can you step up and tell them what it was like when I called you and said, look, we got a cheap hotel for you to stay at?
Yeah. I was like, wow, man. Actually, the hotel that you guys saw that I drove up to, that's where we stayed for the first 2.5 weeks. Because first I heard Nashville, Tennessee, and I was like, okay, that's pretty modern, that's cool. And then they took us 26 miles out into my truck stop. Was it the flying truck stop? Yeah.
That's right.
But it was good because for me, I love that this character was stripped down, like of all the beauty that we got out there, and we roughed it. That is the beauty of making an independent film. That if you believe in the project, that it's not about the budget, that it's not about the accommodations. You love when it's great and you're staying at the Four Seasons and this, that, and the third, but if you're not and you really care about the art of making a film and you care about a project and creating magic, which is what we did, and I thought it was 21 days, but it was 18?
18.
They worked me, y'all.